A company makes two sizes of dog toys. The regular size works for most dogs, and the jumbo size is really for big dogs. Last week, the company made 1,740 dog toys. They made 11 times as many regular size toys as jumbo size toys. How many jumbo size dog toys did they make? This is a tricky one. So let's figure this out. We've got jumbo dog toys. We have, what is it? Regular dog toys. And let's just to simplify this, okay? Let's just say they only made one jumbo dog toy. If for every one jumbo dog toy they make, that's going to be 11 regular dog toys, okay? Now, every time they make toys, this gives us 12 parts. So we're going to view this as every chunk of toys they make is going to be out of 12, okay? One of which is going to be jumbo, 11 which is going to be regular. Now, let's find the value of each part. So we're going to do that by dividing 1740 divided by 12. So 1,740 divided by 12 is going to give us one part. So let's set this up. 12 goes into 1740. Now this is a 2-digit number going into a 4-digit number. Let's go 2 digits at a time. How many times will 12 go into 17? Once. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract 17 minus 12 is 5. Drop down the 4. How many times does 12 go into 54? Well, that'll be 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. 54 minus 48 is 60. Drop down the last 0. How many times does 12 go into 60? 5 exactly. 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract, you get no remainder. Now the question that's being asked is how many jumbo-sized dog toys did they make? Well, they made 145 groups of each of these. So they made 145 groups of one jumbo toy. So 145 times 1 is 145. So they made 145 jumbo toys. Tricky problem. Tricky, 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 tricky.